Hey everyone, good Wednesday morning to you. Oh boy, I was going to, yeah, already I'm getting winded. Anyway, I was going to film this yesterday, take a walk, but I just got caught up in things that needed to be taken care of, so I'm doing it today. I'm starting out early. It's like 10:30 or around there, a little after. So, and I have 87% batteries, so yeah. 87% batteries, so I'm okay for a while. So what are you guys all up to this wonderful Wednesday morning? It's beautiful here. You know, I never know whether to wear a sweatshirt or something, long sleeve shirt to stay warm, but don't need it. Don't need it at all. Beautiful. Beautiful morning. I think I'm gonna, I don't know, I might just do the loop or whatever, go down to some, I don't know where this path is going to take me today. Since I'm such an adventurous person, I may go a little further on the trail. Now this trail goes 6 miles past the last place I stopped at, or the Posa's restaurant, and go 6 miles past there to a little community called El Dorado. I may have mentioned that in my previous video on this trail. It goes to a community called El Dorado. I mean, it's mostly residential, but they've got a shopping area. There's no way I could do 6 miles. My neighbor friend was telling me it takes probably a good day and a half to walk down there. I'd probably have to spend the night along the side of the road in my tent. But I don't know if I feel cool about doing that, spending the night along the road in my little tent. I hope this weather lasts long. I was so worried that when my parents were gone that we get such bad weather, as we did early last year in end of October. But it's cooperated so far. It's been beautiful. I've tried to get out every day as much as I can, take advantage of this weather. Yeah. Always want to start out early on these adventures because yeah, you just never. Well, I just like to get back at least hour or two before the sun sets, which is around 5 o'clock Mountain Time. Took the bus on Monday. It wasn't bad at all. I got out, went to the one shopping plaza that I frequent to get cat food and a craft kit from Michael's Arts and Crafts store. When I talked to my mom yesterday by text, she said we're probably going to make a trip to down to Albuquerque next week to go to Costco, which is awesome. I mean, it's like a road trip for us, honestly, to go down there, because it takes an hour. It takes an hour to get there, but it takes a good part of the day when we go down to Costco, shopping and all that. And we usually stop to eat lunch or something, sometimes dinner. But I'm excited. I love going to Albuquerque. I love going to Costco. It's in a nice part of Albuquerque, the Costco we go to. Nicer part of Albuquerque. It's kind of on the outskirts of the city. I mean, I would love to explore that city. There is this train that goes all the way down there, but I've heard it stops in a bad part of this, or a rough part of the city, and I don't know the city well enough. Even during the day, I wouldn't feel comfortable doing that until I find out more. But I thought I didn't want to do it when my parents were gone, because in case there was an emergency, I'd be screwed. So if I was an hour away with an emergency. And nobody here to help me, really. So, you know. Oh, gosh. Wow. Look at all that garbage. That is just so disgusting to me that people could do that. I mean, this is such a beautiful state. The landscape, just everything about it. But it's a very... I mean, there's just a lot of garbage everywhere. You see, you know, you see the grocery carts everywhere, like near where I live. You know, from the different store. You see them everywhere, really, in Santa Fe. I'm sure you see them plenty in Albuquerque, too. Yeah, I mean, I like to go around and pick it up if I have some gloves with me, but usually when I'm out walking and filming, it's kind of too much and too distracting for me to also pick up trash, and I'd have to carry a trash bag with me, and in case I go inside like a convenience store or something, gas station or restaurant or fast food, I don't want to be carrying a bag of garbage. So that would not look good. But somebody out walking their dog over there. This is such an pet-friendly, animal-friendly state, or, well, Santa Fe community, and they have a sign that says, it's further down near the train, it says Santa Fe is an all-inclusive community. So, this is the Rail Runner train. I would love to travel by train. It just takes a long time when you're traveling far and stuff. I don't know about costs and everything. We have an Amtrak station, but it's a bit of a distance. I'd have to get a ride down there to the Amtrak station. It's in a little tiny town called Lammy, New Mexico. I mean, it's cool. It's pretty. The drive down there, and it's a cool town. It's got I mean, the Amtrak station is like almost a tourist attraction there. People go just to see that, I guess. I've heard. I'll be quiet for a minute because I'll get out of breath too fast. I love this trail. Yeah, Vegas is on my mind. Can't wait. My mom's having some stress with her family. Her sister's pretty sick, and I just hope, I don't know, I just hope that they can help, or this, she may have hospice care, and I'm just hoping for the best. My aunt is 72 years old, hasn't been doing well for quite a while, has dementia, so yeah, I may go, I don't know how far I'm gonna, well, no, I'm gonna go down to Rodeo Road. Sawmill's like a little further down. Okay. I need to be quiet. I mean, there's not much, like, scenery here, but yet. But it'll get better further down I get. So it's just so quiet here, you know, other than dogs barking or whatever, trains. We don't get many sirens at night like the city. Not many, some occasionally. There's that tree I'm gonna walk past. It just looks like it was uprooted or something. There's the rock that I like to sit on. Oh, here comes the train. Here comes the train down there. Yeah, see, here's that tree. It's just interesting looking. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, maybe it's not like uprooted. I don't know. Can't really tell what happened there. Comes a train. I love the sound of trains. Sometimes honestly, I relax at night to train sound videos. It's very relaxing. I started that when my brother was in California, and it was a different time in my life, and just needed something to relax me. So I think the kids would listen to train sounds. He just likes that kind of thing. Yeah, I would love to do this in Albuquerque, but I'll definitely get a chance to film there. Doesn't this look like the country? Oh my gosh. Small town living. Different. Looks like an underground something or other down there. I don't know. Maybe. Don't want to attempt it at this time. See that rail there? Looks like some kind of underground. Yeah, I can see down there. Those two little holes are, if you can see them. I mean, this really isn't that bad of a walk. Just sometimes seems like it. I think I might walk down to some road, I don't know. Quiet, so quiet. So quiet. I love it. Love it. Oh, we're already at Posa's. That's the back of Posa's over there. There's that building. You can't hardly see it from the camera view, but we're getting close. Just, let me see here. Yeah, that's it up there. Let me stop and take a rest. I don't know. Need something to drink. They have 79-cent fountain drinks at the Speedway gas station, which is a little walk down this rodeo road down here. Now I'm getting warm. That's what walking will do in the sun. Get you warm, a little sweaty, not too bad. Been listening to Alan Jackson. You guys probably know his famous Christmas song, Let It Be Christmas Everywhere, and I just listened to that, and I think, wow, over the past 2 years, I mean, I don't know, that song just makes me feel like, I mean, blessed, special, for all the wonderful people I've met that have entered my life. I feel blessed and special when I hear that song. It just makes me feel like together with them, even though we're a distance apart. You know, all of us in this country, we live both coasts, somewhere in between. In my case, the southwestern U.S., which is considered like, I mean, it's close to, it's pretty close, it's fairly close to the coast now from where I used to live, but not, it's like a day and a half drive to Los Angeles, probably San Diego, day and a half drive. I don't know where this trail goes. There's Posa's. Just gonna take this shortcut. I'm just gonna look down this trail across the street and just kind of see where it goes. I can only imagine where it goes. Well, that's, oh, interstate's way down there. Wow. Doesn't seem that far of a, I mean, I don't know, it's probably at least a mile from where I live if you walk down the other way, which is no sidewalks. Yeah, I'll walk a little way down. Interstate is down there. Man, this looks a little cleaner. I want to see where this goes. I don't know. I don't see much down here, but that's cool. Can't see the interstate because it's kind of at a distance from here. Yeah, it'd be cool to walk down there. That's a long walk. Look at Posa's. Over there. Some newer homes. Getting a little sweaty here. I don't know. I want to stop and, well, I'll just go down to Sawmill. I'll walk on this side of the road. It's like a sidewalk. Nice homes, condos. It's new, I think. There's Posa's. I did a video on it a couple weeks ago. Wow. I don't know. I don't know if I can do this, man. I mean, I can. Yeah, I will, I guess. I'll have to walk. I don't know which way I'm going to walk back. Olympus Rodeo. are nice. It's a nice location. It might be the noisiest part of town. I mean, it's close to the interstate. You just sit down here on this bench and take a breather. This is a bus stop. Yeah, oh, that's not too far. Yeah, that's pretty close. You know, to get across the street there. I should sit here. I'm so close. Yeah, it looks far. Excuse me. It looks far away, but it's really not. To get down to that traffic light. View of the mountains. It's like I have an obstructed view. Usually wherever I go, except down by my parents have they kind of live in the country and south of town. And you have an unobstructed view of the mountains, and you can see beautiful, breathtaking sunsets. And almost anywhere there. I've seen the sunrise there too, but there's really nothing down there other than homes. There's some parks, playgrounds. One restaurant. That's about it. But, you know, you always have these poles and stuff. And, well, where I live, you have them too. You have the poles here. So you can't really get a good shot of the mountains, like I got a photograph. I really need to walk across the street sometime soon. Yeah, I look forward to going to Albuquerque. I'm sure we will next week. To go down to Costco, we'll probably get something to eat. I don't know if she'll let me like film like at a location. I mean, that's a long. It actually takes really a whole day. You need a whole day to go down to Albuquerque. I mean, even though it's only like an hour drive on the interstate, you really need a whole day to go down there if you're just like grocery shopping or going to the mall or eating at a restaurant. Across. Okay, I think I can now. This radio. Okay, this is cool. I'm not too far away at all. It's a short walk down there to that traffic light. I really am trying to lose weight. I exercise a lot, but my diet, the way I eat, sometimes needs some improvement. I try to get some green vegetables. I need to eat more fruit. I need to use my juicer some more. Thing is, I don't have any milk or juice right now to put in the, I mean, I don't know, I didn't like the taste. Like, I put water in it before in my juicer, and didn't really like the taste of, or the like consistency of it or whatever. Yeah, this up here is Sawmill Road. We got 26 minutes. Ding! Ding! I don't see as much garbage, I don't think, but I'm here already. There we go. Over there is Church's Chicken. I'm going to go to the gas station convenience store, Speedway, and get a fountain drink. Wish I had more benches to sit on here. It's like to sit on the ground almost. Sun over up here. I love this walk. Here's the mini trail over here. Goes over by churches. Got the Posa sign. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell the fried chicken. It's awesome. Wish I had the money to get some fast or food, any kind of food. Would be nice. Churches. Maybe my longest video yet. 29 minutes. Whew. It's not really a bad walk. Churches. Always hiring. Come join our team. No, thank you. I hate working at fast foods because I suck. Can't handle being on my feet all day. The jobs I've had to be on my feet. Ooh. I didn't get the Posa sign over there. Well, I don't know what the soda costs at Maverick. Maverick's like around this curve right here. I don't know if I want to film inside this place. Put my mask on. And we stop here a lot for gas. It's convenient when we get on the interstate and go on some road trip or something. We stop here for gas. Car wash. Wendy's Tracy. Breakfast biscuit. Probably make that at home. We got you. Whew. Oh, they left it. Ugh, gross. It was a good walk. Took me half an hour. Still gotta walk back, but I'm gonna take a shorter route, even though it's on the side of the road. Oh, they took down the signs and stuff in the window. Yeah, that sucks. Go get my hand. They have some cool stuff here. Oh, I love these. These are cool. These are awesome. What's that? Easy Sandia. Sandia Mountains in Albuquerque. Sour Patch. Mini protein cookies.